Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So, my Tonic Craft Kit number 30... Which one is it? 38 arrived, and so I thought I would share it with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, if you're not familiar with the Tonic Craft Kit, it's like other companies. It's a monthly subscription. You can do one-ofs or pay monthly or quarterly or annually. Also, when you subscribe to their kit, you get 10% off all your Tonic Studio orders. So that's what I'm referring to when I'm sharing my Tonic Studios hauls, because I always get a 10% discount. The items that come in the Tonic Craft Kit, mainly the stamp and the dies, those are exclusive to the kit. They come in the kit. There's no other way to get them. And if you go to the Tonic YouTube channel, you can always see... So I just received the December kit. So if you go to their site now, you can actually see the craft kit number 39, which we'll get in January. So when you order it now, it's not going to ship until the 1st of January. So you basically get a month preview on that. Also, real quick, I am not affiliated with Tonic. I am just a huge, groupie fan of them. I think their products are fantastic. They're quality made. And when they run their sales, I just think, hands down, bar none, you can't beat the quality for the price. So, with that, let's see what came in this month's kit. We're going to start with the paper, so I got to dig a little bit. Out. Okay. Where's the card? Is this it? Hold on. They used to do big sheets, and it looks like this is it now, which kind of makes sense. It doesn't take up as much space. So this is the December kit. I think it is sold out. If you're interested, I'll put the link down below, or just go Google tonicstudios.com. So Tonic is a UK company, so you got to make sure you're either on, if you're either in the UK or the US, make sure you're on the right site. But this month, it is an envelope, like a gift card envelope. They're calling it the Floral Wallet Gift and Stamp Set. So, the papers, let's see. All right. I like to start with the classic cardstock. Hold on. Alright, so we have, I think this is Marigold. Amber Yellow. So we have classic card in Amber Yellow. I love their classic card because it is a solid core. So when you rip it, it's the same color all the way through. You don't find a lot of that these days. A lot of companies, it has a white core, and I'm not a fan of that unless it's a specific look that I'm looking for. So anyway, so you got that, and then we also have it in Spearmint Green. And honestly, I think the color is right on. That does kind of remind me of Spearmint Green. Also, it's a textured cardstock, which I am a huge, huge fan of textured cardstock. To me, it just... I love texture and dimension on my projects. So that's why I love it. I used to be a big, big fan of basil, but basil is kind of pricey. I mean, Tonic is too, but I kind of switched over to the Tonic. And I only buy basil if I can't find a color in Tonic that I need. So there is that. We have iridescent mirror card in Water Sprite. And Yes, it's got a holographic look, and on the phone, on my phone, you can't really see the true color, because you got all the holographic going on. So kind of hard with that one. Next we have pearlescent card. Ooh. In blue frost. I think that is so pretty. It's barely blue though. To me, it has more of a green tint to it than it does blue. Then we have pearlescent card in ivory sheen. Very nice. And pearlescent card, what I love is it is the only paper in their line besides the classic that is double-sided. Everything else is only, you know, the finish is on one side only. Next we have specialty card. I believe it's this one. I think it's this one. In silver silk. I don't think that's right. No, this is the mirror card in frosted silver. So, and I'm glad they labeled it frosted because obviously you can't see yourself in it, so I wouldn't qualify that as mirror. Then we have the specialty card in silver silk, and I really love the texture on that. You can even hear it. And then the last we have is specialty paper in yellow bamboo, and it does look like a bamboo mat. So love, love, love the Tonic paper selections. So that is the Tonic paper included in the kit. They always try to include enough paper to complete some projects, and it's going to coordinate, you know, it's all going to coordinate. Come on. All right, so that is the paper. Then we're going to do the dies and stamp set. So the stamp set is small because they're little envelopes, and we have a little something. Treat yourself. Hey, birthday boy. Hey, birthday girl. You can't buy happiness. You deserve this. Without plastic. Well done, and for someone special. So basically they're gearing this towards gift cards. So we have the base of the envelope. We have, I believe this here I think is going to be your flap to tuck the card in. Or it can be like a flap that moves. To me, I think you could even turn this into like a little mini, tiny, like little picture album. We have strips here that are stitched in case you want to do sentiments. If your closing flap, you can cover it with a layer that has stitched elements. You have little buckle elements here. Actually, they're showing these as like straps to hold your envelope closed. Then we have decorative inserts. So this kind of looks like flowers. This is kind of like a paisley die over here. And then we have more inserts. So we have more panel inserts. It's your birthday. What does that say? Normally I can read that. This says, my gift to you. So these are embossed elements here. So we have packed with hugs, sealed with kisses, a little gift for someone special. Yeah, that says it's your birthday. Normally I can read these, but I am having... I can't read that one. It's not on there. So, sorry I can't read that to you. This kind of looks like it might be a flower or part of a bee. And then we have just a lot of floral elements on there. Oh, no, it's just a flower. So, some of the decorative elements. I like this one, how they just kind of did solid panels. You have the sticker that comes with every one, and for me, I just always peel the sticker off and set it on the front of the envelope, which kind of hints to the collection. Now, this kit came with the adhesive tape runner, and something I've always found interesting about this is refillable, but I've never seen refills for these. I'll show you. You see right there, you just squeeze it right there and it pops out so you can refill it. But I have never seen them offer the refills for these adhesive runners. So there we go. So there's that. Set that over to the side. It came with a ink spot, a Nuvo hybrid ink pad in Metro Gray. You can stamp with this. Me, for grays, I usually use it as a distressing color. Oops. So, let's see. I don't think it's going to show up very well on there. Got kind of a green tint to it. Anywho, so came with that ink pad. Great, now I'm gonna get ink all over the place. Gosh darn it. Hold on. There we go. It came with a sample of embossing powder in Golden Sunflower. Doesn't look like there's any special qualities. It doesn't look like there's any glitter elements to it. So, and it's actually a really small sample. I'm kind of surprised at how small, because normally they're pretty generous with their sample sizes. Came with some Nuvo Pure Sheen glitter in Enchanted Eden. It's a little, I don't know. To me, that kind of reminds me of Tinkerbell with Peter Pan. That's the color. So, there's that. There is also a full-size sample of Jewel Drops in Limoncello. Limoncello, let me tell you, Bath & Body Works, that's one of my favorite scents. So, this is going to kind of have like a translucent when it dries. So there's that one. And then I believe this is a sample size of Mica Mist. Or actually, I think this is the... And this is in the color Beryl Swirl. B-E-R-Y-L. And so basically Mica Mist to me is a lot like Tattered Angels, or it's just a spray and it gives a little sparkle to your project. So yep. Make sure you shake it, because as you can see, some of the pigment is down there at the bottom. There's should be a ball bearing in there or something. Yeah, there we go. It's slowly letting go. So that's it. That is what came in Tonic Craft Kit number 38. I've mentioned before, they're opening up their vault on January 1st, which means they won't put all of them out, but they will have like limited quantities of some of their past kits. So if you're interested, go take a peek at that. And they currently have their glitter sale going on their website, and there is their address if you want to go check it out. Again, I'm not affiliated, so like I said, I just share it because I love it. If you have any questions, please leave it down below. I do try to answer the best I can. Sometimes I just get swamped and forget. I do read all comments. I will say that. I do read all comments. When you email, I do try to respond to emails. So, there you go. There will be some more tonic videos later this week, as I have a couple orders that came in. They're finally catching up on the Black Friday sales. Because of California, they had to shut down for a little while, and so they've been backlogged here in the US anyway. So with that, I hope you guys have a great Tuesday, and hopefully you're done with all your Christmas shopping. I believe I'm done. I think I'm done. I just got to go pick up stuff to make buffalo chicken dip because the kids have requested that for Christmas Day. Anywho, with that, I love you guys to pieces. As always, happy crafting. Bye-bye.